Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the Abode Iota, and this is a smart home security system, and it's actually a lot more than that. It's your digital IoT or Internet of Things hub. Links with many other products out there on the market, but we'll show you what's in the box. First, we're going to show you quickly some details about what this can do. You can pause this video and read about it anytime. So he's just going to scroll over that information really quickly. All right. But we'll get to that in just a moment. So we like the Iota box itself. It has a 1080p camera. It has a very loud siren. I believe it's over 90 decibels. And this material here feels and looks just like the Apple HomePod. So that's cool. If you have Apple products, this will fit right in. So on the back we have a power adapter, Ethernet port, and some of the magic that happens behind this little door. There's a SIM card, so this has cellular backup, 4G, and there's a micro SD card for local storage of your video. So that fits behind a nice little closable door like that. Okay, so that's that device. And then you have the clicker. So this clicker, you can arm your device when you leave. There's also different buttons here that you can launch different things, tell it what to do. So we like the key fob. It's nice and small. What is also great about the Iota package is that this device comes with a battery backup as well. So you get the battery. A lot of these home security devices that don't have professional monitoring have that extra battery in case of power outage. And then this aligns with this, and then if this is broken, so you can put this on a window or a door, it will sound the alarm on the Iota as well. So you get that in the kit. So you get the key fob, you get the Iota kit, and you get the alignable sensor. So going further in the box, they give you all the cables that are necessary to set this up. So this is compatible with Apple and with Android, so if you have either flavor, you can use this, no problem. They've also come out with a new app and new system. So here's the power adapter right here. Pretty small, it's nice. Ethernet cord, it's nice that they've included that as well. And now we'll get into some details about what this can do now with the update. So there's the device again, you can take a look at that. While we're going over some of the extra features, this is version 5.0 that they've come out with recently, within the last couple of days. They've been testing it for quite a long time. You can trigger actions with one tap in the app. It has new fast access to timeline and camera feeds, and completely different upgraded build for use on tablets and smartphones. So if you have an iPad, it'll work with that as well. This new system works with Z-Wave, it works with Zigbee devices, and it's one of the few that we've ever seen that works with Apple HomeKit. So if you have an Amazon voice assistant device or a Google Nest device, it'll work with that. It'll work with Hue lighting, LifX lighting, Yale locks, Ecobee devices that control the thermometer in your home, quick set devices, First Alert, Schlegel locks, and Leviton as well. So they have a website where they show all the products that work with this one device. This is probably the most connectable home hubs that we've ever seen. It also works with IFTTT, so you can set it to do different actions as well within the app. This is the Abode Iota, and this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thank you.